Hi, I'm Sanjay Ore, working as assistant professor in NB Navadis Sehgal College of Engineering, Solapur. I have total 8 years of teaching experience. I qualified the GATE 2010, 14 and UGC NET 2019. Today we are going to discuss the register sets of 80286. So to objective of the lecture is, after completion of this lecture, student will able to understand the different registers in 80286 and what are the functions of the different register, where they are used, what is the purpose of these registers. To understand this, student might have the prerequisite knowledge of the digital electronics, basics of microprocessor, different buses used in the processor, and basic operation performed by the register in 8805 and 86. Basically, the register is nothing but it is a temporary data storage device. Whenever there is a power supply, it will hold the data. Once power supply is off, contents of the register is erased. So these are the set of registers used in the 80286. That is a general purpose 4 register which is of 16 bit each. These are the segment register 4 segment register which is of again 16 bit each. These are the base registers 16 bit, instruction pointer 16 bit, flag register, and these are the different 2 registers, that is a local descriptive table register and task register which is of 16 bit, global descriptive table registers and IO descriptive table register of the 48 bits. They are basically used in the second mode called as the virtual addressing mode. This is actually the block diagram we already discussed. All the registers except the segment registers are available in the execution units. So all the registers, that is special registers and your general purpose registers, are byte addressable. What is meant by byte addressable? It is a facility, or it is a function given to the hardware which can able to access the individual bytes rather than the whole. It means that they are the 16 bits. So CPU can access the 8 bits of data at a time. So that's why they are the byte addressable. They can word addressable also. Word means more than the 8 bits. Word addressable also. The functions also stated here. The register A and D is used basically for the multiplication, division, as well as the IO instruction. C is used for counter purpose, or if you have to write the program using the loop. B register is used for the basic assigning and the storage purpose. Below that, these are the base registers. They are basically used to access the different memory segments along with the offset registers. Then these are the 2 special registers called as the flag registers and instruction pointer register. Instruction pointer points the after completion of the current instruction which instruction is to be accessed by the CPU. It is indicated by your IP register. This is the general flag, 16 bit flag of the 286. From bit 0 to, you can say that the bit 12, everyone aware about these flags: carry flag, parity flag, auxiliary carry, 0, sign flag, trap flag, interrupt flag, directional flag, overflow flag. Those we already studied in the 8086. But here these are the two extra bits. They are used in the another mode, that is the second mode of the operating mode of the 80286, that is the virtual protective virtual addressing mode. First of all, we are going to discuss about these two, that is a privilege level flag, IO privilege level flag. The 80286 has a different privilege levels. So for IO, these are the two bits. One is I input, O output. These are the two bits used in the protective mode. It holds the different 4 privilege level. In 80286 there are the different 4 privilege level. One is for descriptive table, another is for input, output and current privilege, and they will assign according to this. The highest privilege level is assigned for the lower, assigned to the lower value given to it. Next one is the nested task flag. Again it is used in the protective mode only. If bit is 1, then you can say that the one task is called upon the another task, otherwise it is a normal mode. So far we are discussed the different registers sets which is used in the 80286. They are the same as the 8086 microprocessor, only there is some bit difference. Here is the exercise for you. List the offset register used to access the memory segments along with the functions. Pause the video and try to recall it. And here is the solution. These are the different segment registers along with the offset register, and these are the functions of the all the registers. Another exercise, recall the functions of trap flag and directional flag in the flag registers either in the 2806 or 8086. This is the solution. Directional flag basically used to perform the string manipulation operation, and the trap flag, it is basically used to operate your processor in debug mode, that is a debugging mode, that is either in single step or multi-step. If it is a 1, then processor execute the program step by step, otherwise there is a no function is performed. At the end we learn the general purpose register, the segment registers, offset registers and flag registers in 80286. Thank you.